Good morning, everyone. Today, I will present to you a short action plan for 3 students who need different kinds or different types of support in class. I will explain what I would do for each student and how I would follow up on their progress. And I believe that with the right support, every learner can improve and succeed. So I'll start first with Binta. So for Binta, I would focus on helping her become more independent. She participates well in class and does well orally. So I would build on that strength. I would give her short and clear homework tasks, and check her planner regularly and provide sentence starters and models to support her in writing. I would also meet her each week briefly to review her work and encourage her to take more responsibilities of her learning. And next, for Samuel, I would focus on behavior and engagement. He's very capable and learns quickly, but he needs clear boundaries with more challenge in class. I would set simple rules to give him tasks that are slightly more difficult and praise him when he follows the instructions and show respect to others. And if needed, I would monitor his progress through regular observation and feedback with the teaching team. And finally, I would focus on her language support. Yes, on her language support and confident. She's serious and polite, but she struggles in class. She struggles to follow the lessons in English and does not yet speak much in class. I would support her by giving her key vocabulary, simplifying instructions, and using pair or small group work to help her participate more easily. Yeah, I would also ask her simple oral questions first, and gradually I will increase the level, and gradually I increase the level. Her progress would be followed through short tasks and participation and regular discussions about her academic pathways. And in conclusion, each of these students needs support and that is adapted, the support that is adapted to their specific needs with regular monitoring, encouragement, and teamwork. They can all make progress. Yeah, that's what I can do to help 3 individuals or these 3 students, because every learner is different in any way. So this is what I can do to help them participate very well in class or perform very well in class. Thank you so much for this opportunity.